Okay, that's alright. You said no. Okay. It's okay, don't worry. If you want them to be on it. Please. What's up, Marco? Yeah, what's up, Mahami? This is Marco. This is Marco. What's your name again? Magali. What's your name again? Abdul, Marco, Mahamis, and Magali. She's from France. She's a nice baby girl. She's sexy, yeah, she's perfect. She got boobs. She got everything. Hi, Magali. Hi, Magali.